So welcome to ASU, the biggest public school of America.
Wow, what a beautiful sunset.
Yeah.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
This is honestly, those are the best smelling dorm of my life. So welcome दोस्तों to Arizona State University, one of the university with most Indian students. अब आप पूछोगे why there are a lot of Indian students there?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
So the reason why more than 12,000 international students come here is कि ये पूरा business model ही ऐसा बना है because this university relies on international students. Because बाकी schools में क्या होता है, they get a lot of funding. For example, at Georgia Tech there's one research lab that gets $1 billion funding. So they have a quota कि उन्हें पैसे नहीं चाहिए, they don't need money. They can accept only 25% international students and survive. But here they can accept as many they want. Finally दोस्तों, welcome to Phoenix and आज हम finally we are going to tour ASU. I came all the way to Phoenix to see the university with most Indian students. So how's it? Another long time.
What's poppin', y'all? How's it going?
लगता है like you have special welcome here. Like you so hi.
Hi, I'm Frank.
Oh, nice to. Awesome. I think so. You're from San Francisco, right?
Yeah.
Apparently, I think there's a special welcome for you all. San Francisco, all everywhere. San Francisco.
Wait, you want to do it again?
Well, so I took the light rail from the airport, which is like the Phoenix Metro, and then I took like an ASU bus.
Oh my God.
And dude, first of all, it was packed. It was like packed to the brim. Where I was like holding the bar, right? No seats available, and it was like 100% Indian. Not a single white, black, Asian, Hispanic. It was like 100% Indian. I was like,
Wow.
We'll see on campus.
No, it was like 100% Indian. I was like, shit. You know, you see so many Indians in Bay Area, in like obviously San Francisco Bay Area because of the tech scene. But in that bus, it was like only Indians.
Wow.
It's crazy.
Harnoor's gonna have like a blast of a video.
The palm walk is amazing.
Also see the old maid. Oh my God.
You should, why don't you have like a selfie stick? You can just go around.
The fridge is an important experience.
And ASU दोस्तों has the prettiest sunsets.
You have to do it when it's 50 degrees Celsius here.
Oh wow.
And it's burning.
Oh,
You have to do it like twice, thrice a day.
really?
6
Because
times
this
a day
connects the
sometimes.
housing to the campus.
So I can't imagine doing that when it's extremely hot. Wow.
It's definitely a nice view.
Yeah.
I'm not blinded.
So that was why. Like 20 minutes.
And sun is right in the middle here.
Yes.
That is, yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, it's so perfectly aligned.
But it doesn't get humid here, right? In the summer?
Right.
This is all engineering. So across the bridge, right?
Got the rafters and everything.
This is for the life sciences students. So a lot of like biomedical engineers, like biomedical
Sciences, yes.
Not engineers, but sciences.
And if you
Sciences.
see Never Have I Ever,
Yes.
and the dorm that they show, that is Menzies Insights, like over there.
Oh, really? In
When
the
you, like,
Pritzker
climbed
Dome?
up- Yeah, when you climbed up, you saw like a triangular formation on a building.
Yes.
That's the Menzies
That's
building.
Manzanita.
Oh.
It has
Has
nicest.
like a dining hall.
Uh-huh.
So for Tucker, this is the Tucker house. These are called Palo Verde. So one of them is east and west.
They get like the fire alarms pressed
God.
every day.
We're now entering the dorm of ASU and यहाँ पे alternate floors पे kitchen है. So this is the kitchen and sorry.
The laundry room
Oh, laundry room. Okay.
with the jars and the washers.
Oh, it's huge.
It's like a cross, the building.
Oh, is it the study room?
Study room. कैसा लग रहा है भाई? So we did the first dorm tour with Ariander. Now this is the last one.
I came back to college after like 9 months, or like,
Oh, wow.
after graduation. It was like, god damn it.
Those were the days.
Those were the days.
Now welcome to ASU dorm.
So this is like the freshman engineering dorm you'll get, like if you come to ASU as like an engineering major.
Uh-huh.
So This is approximately for like 4,000 USD, and you have to like share it with somebody else. So all you get is like a mattress and some drawers, a desk, a table, and the microwave and the fridge is included. So this is the microwave and the fridge we get. This is not included. You only get one fridge. This is my roommate's. And you do need like a water system to drink.
Tap water is not safe here?
It's not safe. It tastes
Really?
like cancer. It's like plastic.
Oh, no, I already drank here.
It's not actually cancer. But yes. And then there's the other side. That's my roommate's.
So one desk and table chair they provide. That's amazing.
And we also had a divider just like yours.
Oh, nice.
Down the divider. So,
Oh, you took it down? Why? Because this is small, right? That's why.
so she usually has like a divider. I don't know why she took it down.
Oh, but that's cool. Okay.
You
And
get this. This is like all mine.
yeah, this is honestly, those are the best smelling dom of my life because many doms smell like weed. And people don't smoke weed here.
They do.
एवरीबॉडी सबके सब चोर हैं साले
They do.
I found like a pack of cigarettes down the stairs near the fire exit stairs.
And they were which brand cigarettes?
Indian cigarettes.
Oh my god. I thought Indians don't smoke because it's written injurious for health in every movie.
This is like the closet you get.
Oh, nice.
It's not the nicest, not the cleanest, but yes. It's pretty big. It can like fit 2 suitcases like that size. You get 2 of these. And then once my sweet mates done, I can.
Okay, so this is the bathroom, Jack and Jill bathroom.
Yeah, and
Shared.
it's connected with like another room.
Okay.
And then there's 4 sinks, but we are only 3 people. Since we kicked out one of the people because they were like nasty, so we filed a complaint and we kicked them out.
Oh, so how do you communicate? Because the person is in the next drawer. So like, let's say they lock it and forget.
This door cannot be locked.
Well, then what about privacy?
You don't have privacy.
Oh my god.
Sliding door that connects 2 rooms. So you get like 4 sinks. You get 4 sinks. That one's mine. That's my roommate's. That's my suite mate's. This is, you can get like the exact same room. Like it's the mirror copy of that. And this is like the washroom and dishwasher.
Luckily, this locks. Thank God.
Yes, this locks.
The house is so confused.
It's a college campus.
Everywhere. Weed is legal here, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's why.
It's not illegal for Indians, so don't do it.
बाहर लिया मिलाप पे या कहीं पे और फिर वहाँ पे जाके करते हैं
वहाँ पे वीट करते हैं. इंडियंस भी वीट करते हैं.
भाई
समझ नहीं आया. सब करते हैं इधर.
Anyone applying abroad, US, Canada, UK, कहीं भी, go check out flywithsync.com. वहाँ पे you will find the right resources. Plus, expect a call back. चाहे common app ऐसे हो, चाहे your master's resources, letters of recommendation, everything is right there. Number 2, अगर आप loan लेते हो in US dollars from Prodigy Finance or any other US dollar loan, refinance once you're in the US and get 50% less interest rate with SoFi Bank and get the 300 bonus right away with the disruption bill.
How was your experience? Like, do you think Indians are competition here?
Yeah, at least in I mean their perspective is from like the undergrad thing, especially in masters. It is a competition because, as we know, like usually people most of the people will have somewhat experience. They like 2 years or 3 years of experience that they get with here, and yeah, I mean, if we look at them as our competitors, it's different. But if you want to like push yourself to become better like them, they are just like inspiration to you. And given the current job market that we have, it is pretty difficult here because everyone from like who are the master students here, it is definitely competition.
So I decided like on October 1st, 2nd that I wanted to come to United States and like study computer science, and I had just 5 universities that were still taking in applications, and all of them were like due in a week or something like that. So I just had 5 options, and ASU was like the best option that I could have possibly like chosen. And I just like took that opportunity. I got like ASU's I-20, and like all the process for ASU happened the fastest, and because like I think during my time the appointment dates were very limited, so I had to like go just with the first I-20 that I could get.
How about you?
Yeah, even I like applied to 10 universities, and apparently ASU's deadline was the earliest. It was December 1st, and yeah, I had to rush through the entire process of like preparing for GRE and all. Unfortunately, I got a pretty bad GRE, and then like I have a good CGPA. I think that is why I'm here at ASU. And out of all the admits I got, I think ASU was my best shot. And yeah, I'm here.
Do you feel comfortable sharing your GRE score?
It's 307.
Oh, and it's not that bad. I know students with 290 who got into so many universities.
I would say just my CGPA has compensated the GRE score. Otherwise, hopefully, I would have been in another good school.
Got it. And in terms of scholarships, so can you also share the cost of studying at ASU? Because many students choose in the era of inflation, like it's very important to find the most affordable universities. अगर कोई advice के लिए पूछता है how to shortlist, I always, prefer the cheapest at the best location because location matters the most. So how did you consider the cost?
So the two universities I was looking at was, of course, Georgia State and ASU. So Georgia State was not offering me any scholarship.
Oh, really?
But ASU was, but the cost was turning out to be same. Almost GSU was like maybe $2,000 or $3,000 more expensive. ASU offers me around 13.5K per year, like for one whole year. And after that, the cost comes down to like 40 lakhs INR.
A year.
Yes, including housing and food. So yeah.
Oh,
That
wow.
does not include my other expenses that I have to like shop on, like all of that stuff now.
Oh wow, this is incredibly high because Georgia State, if I think about it, if I have to calculate quickly, it is now currently $70,000 per semester, so 34. After that it might be similar. So it is kind of similar.
Almost the same, but
Yeah.
a little cheaper.
Yeah, I agree. How about you all?
I got a similar scholarship. I got $14,500 scholarship so per semester. Like for the first year, it was coming down to be about $13,000, but they've bumped it up, so it's like about $16,000 now per semester.
To me, it's like $17,000, so it's basically like 40 lakhs. Also, they did something very sneaky. So, for example, she's a sophomore, I'm a freshman. So the year before me, they were like offering 14.5.
Yes.
But
The year before that, they were offering 15.5.
so they're like decreasing the scholarship because we have the same scholarship, but
Yes.
it's like decreasing every year.
And the housing at ASU is so crazy. You don't even need to live in a frat house to see the craziness. So what are the crazy stories you have?
I mean, I've been stalked by this guy who lives in the same wing as me, and he would just like follow me around to a point where he figured out at what time do I go for dinner.
Oh no.
And, like what time my class starts. So he was just like be there at breakfast time. So that happens. Along with that, you can get arrested and stuff. Like I've seen a guy get arrested for drugs.
Oh.
And just in the lobby, you can be drunk and just like I've like seen a guy have like liquor and be like, this is apple juice.
Oh no.
Just like come around and be like, do you guys want apple juice? I'm like, no.
Oh my god.
I don't want to eat it.
And what about this? Have you seen the show You, right?
No.
No, okay. So you said you had the story of like stealing a guy.
Yes.
that's
So
here.
the same guy who stalks me around, he also like steals my friends' the person he is sweet made with their underwear. So yeah.
So isn't that toxic here?
It's I mean
You don't
Just an
complain?
average day at the
Average day.
he was
Bro said, isn't it toxic here?
he was
Come follow me, just take my hand. We are cruising.
And step number two, if you are in the, and step number two, if you finance your loan in India with and step number two, अगर आप लोन लेते हो in US dollars from Prodigy Finance or any other US dollar loan, refinance once you're in the US and get 50% less interest rate with SoFi Bank and get the 300 bonus right away with the description below.